In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a link to a QR code. QR codes make it easy for anyone to open a web page without typing a long address. Just point a camera, tap, and you're there. We'll keep this simple and fast using a QR code generator you can access in your browser. First, copy your link. Open the web page you want to share, then highlight the full URL in your browser's address bar. Right-click and choose Copy or use your keyboard shortcut. Make sure the link is complete and accurate. If you want people to land on a specific page, double-check that you're not copying a partial or outdated address. If your link starts with HTTPS, even better, as that ensures a secure connection. Next, open any QR code generator site. You can search for QR code generator and pick a reputable option. Choose a site that looks straightforward, loads over a secure connection, and doesn't force you to sign up just to create a basic code. Most generators work the same way. You'll see a field to enter your content and a preview area where the code will appear. Now paste the link into the field provided. Click inside the box, right-click and choose Paste, or use your keyboard shortcut. After pasting, glance at the text to confirm there are no extra spaces or missing characters. A clean, exact URL ensures your QR code directs people to the right place every time. Then click Generate QR code. The site will turn your link into the familiar black and white square pattern. This only takes a moment. Some tools might show a live preview as soon as you paste. Either way, wait until the final image appears clearly. If the site offers optional settings like size or color, you can leave them at their defaults for a reliable, easy-to-scan result. Finally, download the image as PNG or JPG. Look for a download button near the preview. PNG is usually best for crisp edges, especially if you plan to print or resize the code. JPG can be fine for casual use or smaller file sizes. Save the file to a folder you can find later and give it a clear name so you know which link it points to. That's it. You've turned your link into a handy QR code. You can add it to flyers, presentations, packaging, or screens and make access to your content quick and effortless. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.